here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If f is a linear function for which f of 10 negative f of 5 equals to 10, what is the value of f of 20 negative f of 8? Okay, now let me consider the function f of x over the interval a comma b. That is, the x over here takes a value in this interval a comma b. Then we can use a formula to get average rate of change for the function f of x. So for that, what we have to do is we have to plug in the right side boundary value b for x over here. Then I'm getting f of b. We have to take negative sign. Now we have to plug in the left side boundary value a for x over here. Then we get f of a. It has to be divided by the right side boundary value b negative the left side boundary value a. So this is a formula to get average rate of change of the function f of x over this interval. Actually, the average rate of change is the slope. So we can use this one as a formula to get the slope of the function f of x. Okay, now let me consider the same function f of x over the interval 5 comma 10. Okay, here we have a question. Suddenly, how do we get this interval 5 comma 10? I got this interval 5 comma 10 from this stuff. So here the value of x is 10, here the value of x is 5. Since as a smaller value is 5, I take this one as a left side boundary value. So the bigger value is 10, I am taking this 10 as a right side boundary value. Okay, now let's get the slope of this function f of x. Already we know that the same formula, that is a formula we have for rate of change, can be used to get the slope. So the slope is equal to f of b. B means we have to use the right side boundary value, that is f of 10 negative, then f of a means the left side boundary value, that is 5 divided by 10 negative 5, that is b minus a. Okay, already we have the value for this stuff, that is f of 10 negative f of 5. So that is equal to 10. So we can plug in this 10 for this one. Then we get 10 divided by 10 negative 5 is 5. When I divide 10 by 5, I am getting 2. Okay, now I got the slope of the function f of x, that is 2. Okay, now let me consider the same function over the interval 8 comma 20. This time I got this interval 8 comma 20 from this stuff. Okay, now again let me find the slope over here. That is a slope is equal to, we can use the same formula, that is f of b. At the place of b we have 20, that is f of 20 negative f of a means f of 8 divided by 20 negative 8. And the question says f is a linear function. If a function is linear, its slope is a constant. That is that everywhere the slope will be same. Okay, here already we got the slope of the function as 2 over the interval 5 comma 10. Okay, when I find the slope of the same linear function f of x over the interval 8 comma 20, again I'll be getting the same slope 2 because f is a linear function. So now we can plug in this 2 for slope over here. Then I'm getting 2 equals to f of 20 negative f of 8 divided by 20 negative 8 is 12. Okay, to solve for this one, I mean to find the value of this expression, we have to get of this denominator 12. For that, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 12. When I do so, this 12 will cancel out. On the left side, I'm getting 12 times 2, that is 24. On the right side, I'm getting f of 20 negative f of 8. Okay, I got the value of this expression, that is f of 20 negative f of 8. Its value is 24.